Namaste. And welcome to Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra actually means yogic sleep and is a very deep form of relaxation or meditation. Yoga Nidra is usually performed with the students lying down to get the best benefits out of this amazing and incredible class. So find yourself a nice quiet place in your home. Place your yoga mat to the floor or lie on a bed. Get yourself as comfortable as you can be. Maybe have a blanket over you if it's chilly. Make sure you're not lying in a draft. And just switch off all of your technology and let people in your house know that you are having some self-care time. So without further ado, let's do some Yoga Nidra together. Sitting into easy and comfortable pose, lengthen the spine, shoulders down. Bring hands to Namaskar Mudra for 3 Oms together. Inhale. Om. Inhale. Om. Inhale. Feel the vibration moving through your body, cleansing every cell. Breathing into the belly, feel what we're about to do. Relaxation, calm, centering. Breathing into the belly. With every inhale, the belly comes out and up, and every exhale, the belly falls. Returning home to the breath whenever the mind wanders. The breath is the anchor. The breath is your home. Laying down on the floor or on your bed, getting yourself comfortable. Find a blanket or something that covers you, that's warming, so that you don't feel any draft. Feel free to adjust your position at any point during this class. You may have an itchy nose, or perhaps just need to move your head from side to side. Swallowing, coughing, sneezing, all allowed. This is your practice. But always returning back to relaxed and to the breath. If you are on the Asperger's or autistic spectrum, sometimes a heavier blanket or a weighted blanket can really help. Just getting yourself into the relaxation mode. Let your feet fall away from one another. Palms facing upwards and into Jhan Mudra. Lengthen the spine. Make sure that your chin is in alignment with your spine, so that you feel comfortable and the spine is lengthened at all times.
Let's begin. Feel the breath in your belly as it rises and falls. Soft breathing. This is your anchor and your home. Let us begin with your feet and especially your toes. Notice each individual toe as it softens, releases any tension. Now working your way from your toes to the soles of your feet, from the ball of your foot all the way to your ankle and heel. Feel your ankle and the contact it makes with the floor or the bed. Notice any sensations as we go. Gentle, soft breathing. Now we work our way from the heel of the foot up and into the leg, the calf muscles softening as you think your way up the back of your leg to your knee. Releasing that muscle. And now the front of your legs, the shins from your ankle, slowly sinking your way up to your knee. Notice any sensations. Maybe cool, maybe warm, maybe the softness of your blanket, comforting and warming. Now thinking of the hard-working knee joint. Let's soften and let go, releasing the ligaments and bones within this wonderful joint. Feel the back of your knee. As it eases into relaxation. Now slowly, gently moving your thoughts from the knee up into the thighs. Hard-working, large muscles here support us all day, every day. Let's let these muscles unwind as they feel heavy and closer to the ground. Now surrendering the pelvis and the hips and the lower back. Just let this very important joint surrender to Mother Earth. Breathing into the belly, soft and slow. The breath is the home you can return to at any time, should your mind wander. The breath is safe, comfort, home. Now together let's move up the spine vertebrae by vertebrae, softening and relaxing as we go. Feel each vertebrae on the floor or on your bed, and the ribs rising and falling as we breathe, soft and slow. Let your shoulders sink into the floor, away from your ears, heavy and soft. The tops of your arms to your elbows, relaxed, eased, softened. Down to your hands and your wrists. Notice the sensations in your fingers, palms. Now bring your attention to your head, starting with your chin, cheeks and jaw. Just let go. Let the tongue soften. Notice the air as you breathe in through your nostrils, cool on the sides of your nose. The healing breath. Now relax your forehead, your eyes, as your whole body feels heavy, loose and safe, as Mother Earth supports your entire body down to the last cell. Now very gently bringing your awareness back into the room. Wiggle fingers and toes, moving your head gently from side to side. Bending the knees and slowly rolling onto your right hand side. Keeping the breath soft and slow. Holding on to the ease and relaxation. Very gently and with helping hands, come back into any easy, comfortable pose. Wrap your blanket around you. Get ready just for some meditation. Hands into Jan Mudra, eyes closed, lengthen the spine, shoulders back and down. Breathing into the belly still. Bring your hands to Namaskar Mudra for 1 Om and 3 Shantis together. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti means peace for yourself and for your family and for the whole world. Namaste. It's been a privilege to do this class with you.